Police in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for central Fairfield County in southern Connecticut until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, heavy rain producing flash flooding, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Water rescues have been reported and are ongoing. This includes in the Myery Brook Road area towards Danbury. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include